I just found this gun that I bought. It's a toy revolver, and it's the most realistic out of every single one I have seen in France. I haven't seen everything, but I have seen a lot of toy guns, and this one is the most realistic one I found. I'm going to show you guys. Oh yeah, and put your volume too low because I'm going to be shooting this and it's very loud. So in 3, oh yeah, it's hard to shoot, so it's basically like a real gun. The thing is, so yeah, in 3, 2, 1. You guys heard that? That was the gun that made that sound. And it's dangerous. I mean, I've never seen a gun this dangerous, and I'm not face revealing in case you guys think I'm going to face reveal. I'm not gonna turn the phone. So yeah.